Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some last minute deals that I did at Walgreens, plus I found some amazing clearance finds. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, don't forget to check your accounts for our sneak peek boosters and go ahead and clip them to your accounts before they disappear. I received this monthly booster for make 2 purchases and spend $10 on each purchase and earn $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. And then I also received this awesome digital spin booster for spend $22 and earn back $6 in Walgreens cash. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the deals that I did at Walgreens yesterday. Now I did combine these into a spend deal. So I did pay out of pocket. I did not use Walgreens cash, but if you guys want to do these deals individually, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. So first up, I did the Dove deal. We have the Dove body wash. Again, they are on sale this week for $7 each. And when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. Plus, we have a new 7 off 2 digital coupon. So pick up 2, use that digital. That's going to leave you paying $7. Again, if you want to do these deals individually, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, and that's going to make your final price $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Now this next deal turned out to be an amazing moneymaker. So this week we have select Crest and Oral-B products that are on sale for $3 each. And when you purchase 3, you get back a $5 register reward. So I picked up 3 of the Oral-B Super Floss at $9. We have a 6 off 3 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3. And again, if you're doing these deals individually, if you're not including them in a spend deal, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you're going to get back a $5 register reward. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate back on the Oral-B Floss and Picks. So submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get back $6. That's going to make your final price completely free plus an $8 moneymaker. Now, some accounts did receive a rebate for the Oral-B toothbrushes as well. So make sure that y'all check your Ibotta accounts before you go into the store. I did not receive that particular one, but it still worked out really good. I am super happy with this deal, but just make sure that y'all check your accounts because you may be able to pick up a couple of flosses and a toothbrush, or a couple of toothbrushes and a floss, however you want to work the deal. So here's a look at my entire transaction. Again, I picked up 2 of the Dove body washes and 3 of the Oral-B flosses. I paid $10 out of pocket after those coupons were applied. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for my spin booster, plus a $5 register reward, plus the $4 register reward, plus I received back $6 on Ibotta, making this transaction completely free, plus a $10 moneymaker. Now, if you guys have already used your 6 off 3 digital coupon, you can still do the Oral-B deal. You can pick up 3 of the Oral-B flosses at $9. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. We just received that one on Sunday, and that's going to leave you paying $6 out of pocket. Again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $5 register reward, and then submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get back $6. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $5 moneymaker. Alright guys, so now we're about to go over some clearance items that I found at my store. Now, while we go through these pictures, keep in mind to check your Ibotta account for a Weekend Warrior bonus. I received this bonus for redeem 18 offers and earn back $5. And a lot of these items do have Ibotta rebates right now. So again, make sure that you double check your Ibotta account. And if you guys could stack some of these rebates with a bonus, that could be even better because some of these are money makers all on their own. Now, I also wanted to mention when it comes to Walgreens clearance, it does vary from store to store. In general, though, a lot of the stores mark down a lot of the same items around the same time. Now, with that being said, sometimes I will go to a Walgreens that's 30 minutes away and they will have amazing clearance, and then that same clearance will not hit at my regular store until a couple of weeks later. So you guys keep these items in mind and be on the lookout for them when you guys are out shopping at Walgreens over the next couple of weeks. And if you spot any of these items and they are not tagged, take them on up to the register and ask the cashier to price check them for you. That way, you're just double checking and making sure that you are not missing out on any deals. Because as we know, with clearance, just like with Dollar General, sometimes the employees don't have time to tag everything. So first up, I found the Crest Pro Health Advanced with Scope toothpaste. These were marked all the way down to just 49 cents. And if you can find these, make sure that you submit your receipt to Ibotta, because right now on Ibotta, we have a 25-cent rebate for the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So that's going to make your final price just 24 cents. Also at my store, I found the Crest 3D Wipe Professional Whiter Teeth. These were priced at 79 cents. And right now on Ibotta, we have a 50-cent rebate. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back 50 cents. That's going to make your final price just 29 cents. Now they also had the Kids Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste, and they were marked down all the way to 49 cents. And you guessed it, right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate for the Kids Crest toothpaste. So that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Next up, I found the Oral-B Glide Bacteria Guard Floss. These were marked all the way down to just 59 cents. And y'all already know we have a $2 rebate back on Ibotta for the Oral-B Floss and Picks. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $2. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.41 moneymaker. Alright guys, now we're going to scroll through some other items that I found on clearance. So first up, we have the Old Spice Gentleman's Blend Body Wash. They have the lavender and the eucalyptus scent. They were marked all the way down to just 79 cents. Next up, I found the Stay Safe Hand Cleansing Towelettes. These were marked all the way down to just 35 cents. And when I went up to check out, the cashier was telling me that they had a ton of other hand sanitizing products and disinfecting wipes, but unfortunately, somebody had already came in there and picked all of those up. But you guys keep your eyes peeled for those orange stickers. All right, next up we have the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length Curl Leave-In Conditioner product. These were marked all the way down to $3.49. All right, guys, now these next couple of pictures are just of the tags. Unfortunately, somebody had already grabbed these, but this is on the Dove Strengthening and Full Hair Therapy Shampoos and Conditioners and Styling Products. So you guys be on the lookout for those. Next up, we have the Always Z's period underwear. These came in small and medium, and then also in large and extra large. Both of those were marked down at least half off. Now also be on the lookout for this one. We have the Always Infinity Pads 18 count. These were marked down to just 69 cents. Next up, we have the Walgreens brand of Maxi Pads 28 count. These were $2.89. And then we also have the Walgreens regular ultra thin pads at $2.19. Guys, now we are going to get into the candy clearance. Now there was a ton of candy clearance and some amazing prices. So as y'all can see here, we have some of the nice brand candies. They are on sale, 39 cents, 49 cents, 29 cents. I mean, these prices, you can't beat it. So I'm just going to let some of these scroll here across your screen. If you need to pause them to read the tags, go ahead and do that. But like I said, a lot of these are the nice Walgreens brand candies. Let's see here. We have assorted fruit slices at 39 cents. We have the Chewy Nerds Theater boxes for 19 cents. Caramel creams for $1.09. That's on the movie theater boxes. We have the Jujubes. I've never seen that one before, for 59 cents. We have Butterfinger Bites theater box. Those are $1.19. We have the big bars of M&Ms for $1.39. The Hershey's Symphony bars for $1.59. Next up, we have the 7-ounce Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bars for 99 cents. Then we have the Fudge Brownie M&M's Share Size Bags for $1.39. Then we also have the M&M's Peanut Mix Share Size Bags for just 69 cents. Then we have the Snickers Peanut Brownie Bars, the 4 count, for 69 cents. We also have a Bean Boozled for $1.19. We have the Ice Cubed gums for $1.29. That's tropical for Breeze. We have the Carmelo bars for 79 cents. And we have Tic Tacs, the orange Tic Tacs. Those are the best, and they are on clearance for 49 cents. Alright guys, now here's a look at all of the items that I picked up on clearance. Now, I did not realize that we had all of those rebates for those Crest and Oral-B products until I left the store. When I went back, they were already gone, and I am kicking myself for that. But I did picking up 3 of the Crest toothpaste, plus those 2 Old Spice body washes. I thought those were great finds. Plus, I picked up a couple of the hand sanitizer wipes and a bunch of candy. So I was able to use that 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon on this transaction. Now keep in mind, it will not give you overage, but it will zero out those products. So just make sure that y'all scan to see if you guys have any coupons. Plus, if y'all find these next week, we do have 1 off 1 P&G insert coupons that you can use on those clearance products. So after that coupon was applied, plus I received my money back on Ibotta, my final price was $5.44 for all 16 items, making those just 34 cents each, which I am super happy with that. Alright guys, so there you have it for my Walgreens haul for this week. Now you guys keep in mind, today is Saturday, so as far as those first couple of deals that I told you all about with the Dove and the Oral-B floss, today is the last day that y'all can do those deals and get that sale price and those register rewards back, because tomorrow is Sunday, May the 1st, and we will start a brand new sales week. Now, as for the clearance items, of course, those will be available until somebody buys them all up. So you guys just keep your eyes peeled. And if you see any of those items and they are not already tagged at your store, take them up to the register and ask the cashier to please price check them for you. Now, while you guys are out and about shopping today, don't forget to head on over to Dollar General, because we have some amazing 5 off $25 scenarios. I put together a video yesterday for y'all with 5 awesome deals. So I will leave that linked down in the pinned comment below if you guys want to go and check it out. Now, I also uploaded another DG video earlier this morning with an update, plus we have a new glitch. So make sure that you go and check out that video as well. And don't forget, right now we have a giveaway going on for the P&G insert. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure that you go and check it out and enter for your chance to win the new May P&G inserts. And I will have all of those videos linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below. Before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.